Okay, we are going to repair an SCCM client. So we have a tool which is CCRepair.exe, which is under C Windows CCM over there. So first of all, we'll open command prompt as an administrator. We'll change the directory to C Windows CCM and we'll execute the CCRepair.exe and we'll hit enter. We can see once we hit the enter, the repairing has started. So now we can track what exactly is going on the background. We can simply go to C Windows CCM setup folder and logs folder, and the CCM setup.log will help us to understand. So technically it is going to repair and reinstall the client. Let me open see the logs into CM trace. Okay, now in the CCM setup.log we can see the installation is going on. There are few errors, but they are not of concern right now. The end goal is we should receive a error, or sorry, we should receive a message stating CCM repair is exiting with repair return code 0. That means our client is successfully installed. Let's wait for a few minutes until we receive that message. This process can take at least 5 to 10 minutes. And we can see that we have received the message CCM setup is returning with return code 0. That means our client is successfully repaired. Also on the command prompt we should receive a message stating done. That means the process has been completed. This is how we can repair a SCCM client.